how to make money on Upwork as a business consultant. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your profile on this platform in order to get more clients, and how you can look for jobs from this platform to make money. So let's get started by creating our account first. So here, choose to join as a freelancer. Click on apply as a freelancer. Then you fill the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. And then you click on create my account. For me, I'm just going to log in. I've already created an account in the platform. So here I'm going to type my email, password as well. We log in. And here you will proceed to setting up your profile. And this is the last step of setting up your profile. So I'm going to go back to start with you from the beginning. So this is the beginning. So let's click on get started. And here we have some questions to answer. So I'm just going to skip them for now. They are not very important. Same with these other questions. Skip for now. And for these boxes, you can just check them all and then click on next to create a profile. And here we have how would you like to tell us about yourself. So if you want to import your resume from LinkedIn, you can do that. If you don't have it, you can upload it from your desktop, and if not, you can just fill it out manually. It will take less than 15 minutes. So let's go with the manual one. Start a new profile, and here let's type our niche or our skill. Then click on next to add your experience. And here you can click on the plus button to add your experience, but I'm going to skip that for now. Same thing with education, skip for now. And here we have the language. So let's choose our proficiency or our level in English. I'm going to go with conversational. And then we have, if you know any other languages, you can add them. For me, I know Arabic and French. So here I'm a native in Arabic, and in French I know a little bit of it. And my level is basic. Then click on next to add your skills, which are business consulting and business as a whole. Then click on next to write an overview. So here you write a bio to tell the world all about yourself, help people get to know you at a glance. What work do you do best? Tell them clearly using paragraphs or bullet points. You can always edit later. Just make sure you're proofread now. So here we can just go to ChatGPT and tell it to give us a bio for our Upwork profile. Tell ChatGPT, I'm a business consultant, give me a bio for my profile, and it will give it to you easily. Just make sure to read it carefully and make adjustments to it if needed, and if not, just copy and paste it as it is. For me, I don't want to make the video too long, so I'm just going to copy my friend Marty's bio. Thanks, Marty. Then click on next to choose your categories. And here we've already have some suggested services, which is accounting and consulting, management consulting and analysis. So let's just choose these two. Then next, set your rate. Let's choose our hourly rate. Let's go for $20 per hour, for example. And here Upwork takes $2 from that, and we will have $18 left, and that's very good. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you add the date of birth, country, state, and all of that. Then you upload a photo. So here show your clients the best version of yourself. Must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So just keep that in mind. And after you upload the photo and you're finished with all of the profile creation, then click on review your profile to verify all of your information. Then you will proceed to setting up to adjust your profile. And in order to do that, first I'm just going to log out. You don't need to log out, just for me to show you what you will need to improve your profile. So here, go back to the main page of Upwork, go to the search, and here type your skill, which is business consultant. And here we will find all of the competitors that we have, all of the people that have the same skill as we do, and you will see what they are doing, how they list their skills, how are they talking about their skill, what they put in their bio, how much money they are making, how much they get paid per hour, and all of those things. And we will see what we can take from them and apply to our profile to improve it. So for example, we have this man in here. He gets $22 per hour, and he is top rated, and this is his bio, and this is his skills: business analysis, consulting, plan, management consulting, and so on. And this is another one. She earned more than 10K, and she gets $45 per hour, and she is top rated as well. This is her skills. Another one. So this is just what you're going to need to do in order to improve your profile. You will spy on your competitors, see what they are doing differently, and try to do it yourself. And in order to find work easily, you can just go to find work in here, click on find work for your skills, and here go to this search box, just type your skill in here and click on search to see all of the listed jobs that need your skill set, and you can apply for them. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.